Hi everyone, my name is Beth and I'm the host of LawCareersNetLIVE. In this short video, I'm going to tell you what LawCareersNetLIVE is, how it's going to help you in your career in law, and why you should apply to attend. So, LawCareersNetLIVE is a one-day immersive student careers conference for those who want to learn more about building a successful career as a solicitor. There are 3 events this year, one in Manchester on the 29th of November, one in London on the 6th of December, and one in Bristol on the 10th of December. You can only apply to attend one event, but all 3 offer the same combination of impressive firms, interactive workshops, advice and networking opportunities, so choose the one that suits your location best. The format of LawCareersNetLIVE is a mixture of panel discussions with partners and recruiters, networking time, a keynote speech and firm-led workshops. It's all designed to give you the chance to gain real insight into what it's like to work as a commercial lawyer and to give you unrivaled access to these leading firms and those who recruit for them. Delegates have the chance to choose the firm workshops they would like to attend, and there will be one in the morning and one in the afternoon. Topics already confirmed for this year's LawCareersNetLIVE firm workshops include international M&A, technology and cyber risk, catastrophic injury and environmental law. So there really will be something for everyone, and you'll be able to dive into a practice area and get some insight into how lawyers think and work. The conferences are a really great way to get to grips with these firms and the work that they do. And the hands-on nature of the day means that there is plenty of opportunity to meet a whole host of useful contacts, find out more about the sponsor firms and their recruitment processes, and get practical advice into making training contract and vacation scheme applications. We know lots of past attendees have gone on to receive work experience and training contracts at the firms or elsewhere. So if that sounds useful to you, and hopefully it does, how do you apply to attend? Delegates apply for LawCareersNetLIVE through our online application form. We are looking for excellent applications, the same as a law firm does, so it is really good practice. That means we want to see great academics, good work experience, an understanding of commerciality, and the reasons why you will make a successful lawyer. There's more information about this on the website, as well as some useful application tips on LawCareersNet, so make sure you take a look and do some research before applying. Applications are open now and will close at the end of October. We really recommend getting your application in early, as offers will be made on a rolling basis. There's lots more information on the website, including details of all our amazing sponsor firms and their workshops, so definitely make sure you take a look online. We look forward to receiving your applications and hopefully seeing some of you at LawCareersNetLIVE later this year.